Breakouts are where the biggest profits happen, but also where most traders get trapped. Most indicators predict them too late or fall for fake moves. That's why this might be the greatest breakout indicator I've ever seen on TradingView. And the backtesting results make that point clear. Watch the full video without skipping to learn the indicator name and settings that finally work. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, QuantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. So, we're going to overview this overpowered indicator from A to Z and reveal the secrets to unlocking its peak performance. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. This game-changing indicator visualizes breakout zones based on volume sentiment within dynamic price channels. It identifies high-impact consolidation areas, quantifies buy and sell dominance within those zones, and then displays real-time shifts in sentiment strength. As a result, traders receive fundamentally backed breakouts, not just noise on the chart. As you can see, everything begins with the formation of a channel, which marks accumulation or distribution ranges. The channel is then divided into small bins, where volume is aggregated and labeled according to candle direction, creating a detailed sentiment map that reflects the actual sentiment at each price level. That said, the overall sentiment display at the bottom represents the channel's total sentiment. It can be bullish, indicating a higher probability of an upward breakout, or bearish, suggesting a greater chance of a downward breakout. Diving deeper, we have the current sentiment value along the top, which shows the sentiment at the current price level and is derived from the sentiment profile. With that, a higher green value indicates that more buyers are willing to buy at current levels. In bullish channels, this can act as a catalyst for an upside breakout. The higher the red value, the greater the number of traders willing to sell. In bearish channels, this can catalyze a downside breakout. Also, keep an eye on the volume profile. If we're in a bullish zone and there's little to no red volume bar above the 50 level, it means there's no real resistance to a breakout. If in a bearish zone, we have no or minimal green volume bar below the 50% level, the downside breakout is highly likely. And the trading rules are simple. When the price breaks above the upper boundary of the range, the indicator displays a green triangle, allowing us to go long. Voila! Check out the insane move that followed, generating amazing profit. In a bearish scenario, when the price falls below the lower boundary of the range, the indicator prints a red triangle, so we can open a short trade. Boom! The indicator is just as mind-blowing at spotting the beginning of downtrends. To apply this next-gen indicator, open the indicator window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type volume sentiment breakout and choose the following one. Want to level up your trading? Meet QuantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. At this point, the indicator can still generate plenty of fake signals, so it's time to uncover what 99% of YouTubers never show you. We'll optimize the settings and integrate a proper filter to achieve peak performance in backtesting. So, open the Inputs tab, and we have only two parameters to work with. The first one is the normalization length, which defines the number of bars used to calculate the highest high and lowest low for price normalization. Use lower values for lower time frames, and vice versa. For the 15-minute time frame, lower the value to 50. And the second one is box detection length, which defines the number of bars used to identify channel formation. Change it to 15. Now, we're going to improve the performance even more by adding a secret trading filter. The confirmation we used is an advanced momentum oscillator that blends fractal market structure analysis with adaptive volatility weighting and multi-derivative calculations to pinpoint high-probability trend reversals and continuation patterns. It eliminates fake signals during consolidation through multi-layer confirmation based on acceleration analysis, statistical band context, and dynamic omega weighting, all without relying on divergence detection. So, to confirm a long trade entry, the fractal flow area should have a green color. At the same time, to validate a sell signal, the fractal flow area should appear red. Here we go. Look at how effectively the indicator filtered out a lot of false signals. To add this hidden filter, open the Indicators tab, search for Dynamic Fractal Flow, and opt for the one displayed here. To make the settings optimal, open the Inputs tab, change the fractal length to 6, and adjust the waiting period to 54. And here are examples of both long and short trades using our preferred risk management rules, with stop-loss levels set just below or above the latest swing low or high, and take profit targets placed at a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To assess the strategy's performance, we won't use manual backtesting since that method is outdated. Instead, we'll use our Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a cutting-edge tool that delivers backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in less than 30 seconds. Simply open the Builder's settings, navigate to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that corresponds to the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the opposite side. And your backtesting report is instantly ready. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the initial results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame, using only the Breakout indicator. We have a relatively low win rate of 57%, a not bad net profit of 191%, but a huge max drawdown of 52%, meaning the indicator cannot be used on its own. With that, go to the Builder settings. Our fully optimized filter is already integrated, and switch it on here. Bingo! The win rate jumped to nearly 70%. The max drawdown tightened to 20%, and we pulled in a solid 206% profit from only 88 trades. Importantly, the strategy delivered 11 straight winning trades and only 4 consecutive losses. The equity curve looks solid, and we outperformed simple buy and hold approach. For even stronger results, turn on Quant Builder's built-in momentum filter with a noise length of 2, along with the EMA filter set to 100. Voila! We boosted the win rate to nearly 80% and received a 150% profit from just 38 trades. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.